Hello, learners. Welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying Code of Civil Procedure 1908, under which Section 136. Section 136 is a procedure where persons to be arrested or property to be attached is outside district. Subsection 1, where an application is made that any person shall be arrested or that any property shall be attached under any provisions of this code not relating to the execution of decree and such persons resides of such property is situated outside the local limits of the jurisdiction of the court to which the application is made. Where an application is made that any person which is to be arrested or any property which is to be attached under the provisions of this code which is not relating to the execution of decree, such person resides in a property or is situated outside the local limits of the state, then on an application is made by the court, then the court may in its discretion on an application made to the court may in its discretion issue a warrant of arrest or make an order of attachment and send to the district court within the local limits of whose jurisdiction, then the court shall make issue a warrant of arrest, or then the court shall issue a order of attachment and send to the district court within the local limits of whose the jurisdiction of such person or the property resides or the property is situated, then the copy of warrant or the order of the attachment together with the probable amount of the cost of the arrest or attachment. Subsection 2 states the district court shall, on the receipt of such copy, an amount on the district court shall, on the receipt of such copy, and the amount caused the arrest or the attachment to be made by its own officers or by a court subordinate to itself, and shall inform the court which issued or made such warrant or order of the arrest of the attachment. Then the district court shall, on the receipt of such copy and the amount caused the arrest or attachment to be made by its own officers by the court subordinate to itself, and shall inform the court which issued made such warrant or order of arrest of attachment. Subsection 3 states about make the court making an arrest under this section shall send the person arrested to the court by which the warrant of arrest was issued unless he shows cause of the satisfaction of the former court why he should not be sent to the latter court, or unless he furnishes sufficient security before for his appearances before the latter court, or for satisfying any decree that may be passed against him by that court, in either of which cases the court making the arrest shall release him. The court which is order making the arrest order shall release him. Subsection 4 states about where a person to be arrested or the movable property to be attached, where a person to be arrested or the movable property to be attached under this section is within the local limits of the ordinary original civil jurisdiction of the of the high courts of the judicature at Fort William in Bengal, or at Madras or at Bombay, the copy of the warrant of arrest or the order of attachment